My God, look at the scars up there.
I know, I'm going to do something with my phone. Grandad came on my phone for his place.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Bloody ant powder. Oh shit, don't you dare shit. Just about to set off. A load of frequencies up there. See the waves? Can hear a plane going over, can't see out. But certainly up there, plenty of frequencies.
Don't forget to give me a ring.
Even more frequencies up there. Thin ones up there. More that way. Oh, bloody ants everywhere, I'm off. Stuff it. Frequencies and Shite Hawks.
See, the bloody dinosaurs.
Dinosaur Shite Hawks. That bloody lot. After getting eaten by ants. Not them, us.
God, about monsters, I've never seen so many ants in all my life.
That I have. Down at Stratford Close.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not from Lancaster.
You're so lucky.
I know, aren't I?
Frequencies. Right.
I live in a place of countryside where you've got bloody everything. Just
All the clouds are being bombarded around here. They are behind us, they are in front of us, they're everywhere.